Hello everyone, it's Angel Eyes Dawn Marie and welcome to the Long Island Healing Arts and Learning Center mailing list. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video message. I am coming to you today to talk about my upcoming classes. I have an intro class to automatic writing and angel cards. The reason why I wanted to come forward today and tell you about this course is because I do have two courses coming up. Automatic writing level 1 through 7 and that's coming in October going through December, and angel cards level 1 through 7 Mondays and Thursday nights, and then I'm going to continue 2020 for the advanced series of this course, which is level 8 through 14. I know many of you I've only done the advanced automatic writing once. I'm going to be launching it again along with my mediumship circle and all that good stuff. So a lot of good things coming up the end of this year, 2019 and 2020, and I'm excited to be here. If for those of you who don't know me, my name is Angel Eyes Dawn Marie. I'm a psychic medium, spiritual teacher, mentor, coach for intuitive development, and a spiritual counselor. So I just wanted to let you know that we're all special, we're all gifted. We all have the ability to connect with our guides, angels, and heavenly messengers and loved ones on the other side to bring forward healing, empowering messages. We could do that for ourselves, we can do that for others. I believe it is within us. And I am here. Dawn, my name means awaken. I'm here to help awaken the gifts that you have within. So I do this in my classes through meditation, using the angel cards and automatic writing. And the reason why these tools work is because I have to say, the right cards just magically appear. For those of you who have taken my classes, you know the right card just magically appeared. It's amazing. And sometimes you keep getting the same card over and over. Why? Because we're not listening. We're not acting on the advice. Other times we get the same handwritten messages. We all have the ability to channel, and spirit comes through the pen. So in these classes, I teach you the tools, the techniques to connect with spirit through meditation, using the tool of automatic writing and angel cards. Now, I just want to give you a quick sample. I'm asking my guides and angels to come forward right now to be with me, the angelic realm, the ascended masters, as I say my prayer. Surrounding me with a bubble of light, putting my ego and personality aside, allowing me to be a clear and open channel. And so it is. And now my intention is to pull a card for you, everyone watching, and to get an automatic writing. And I already feel it's Archangel Michael coming through. So as I connect with Michael, I'm going to have him pull a card for us and a writing, a message for you. Hold on. Start with writing. Okay, so I got a message here, automatic writing, and now I'm going to pull a card and I'll share both with you. And I'm going to pick a card that I'm drawn to. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so the writing was from Archangel Michael, and the card is Voyage of the Heart. Love flows through you and to you. The writing is, dear viewers, so everyone that's viewing, I am here to give you the strength and encouragement to take the next step on your spiritual journey. You got this. So Michael's here for you to take that leap of faith. If you've been guided to take intuitive development courses, to take it, whether it's mine or someone else's, take it. Whatever your soul is drawn to, take it. Go for it. And here it's about the love. It's about expanding that love in your heart, okay? Voyaging to the heart. And I think this is beautiful because it shows a wave. It shows the sun, the moon, the flowers, and the hands of healing in this card. The beautiful cards. Love flows through you and to you. And that's what we're doing when we're connecting to our intuition. We're connecting to the love that's within us. It's letting go of that ego, fears, worries, doubt. Who needs that ego anymore? Let it go. Bring in the love. Law of attraction. We create our destiny. It's all about the love and the light. Okay, bringing in that love, bring in the God and the angels, your higher self, to let you know that you are perfect just the way you are. So, just wanted to give you a quick message to let you know how angel cards and automatic writing can help you. Didn't you all enjoy that message? I know I did, because it's about the love. You know, in doing readings, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about sharing the healing and the message, okay? On doing your writing, it's about reaching for that higher power of love that's going to bring us more peace and clarity in our life. Okay, meditation will bring us there. So it's about tuning in, meditating before you do the cards, before you do your writing, and receive that direct connection, which you have innately within you. And I want to be here to be on this journey with you, to help you to tune into that love in your heart, tune into that love above you, and bring it into your life now. You don't need to be stuck anymore. You don't need that. You could be an intuitive medium for yourself. You could be an intuitive medium for everyone. So you could be that love and that light. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk with you guys on the Long Island Healing Arts and Learning Center's mailing list or website, wherever this is posted. I'm so proud to be part of this wonderful center. Laura and Terry has created a place. It was their vision, their dream from a long time ago, and they created this center for all of you, for all of the teachers to get up and teach and facilitate, and for all the students to come, and then for this beautiful community, because we're all the teachers and we're all the students. We're all here to learn and grow together, and so it is. Tuning in for one more inspirational message for you guys. It's all about love. It's all about the healing, and it's all about light. Be the light, be the love. Your time is now. Time to shine. Love you guys. Be the light workers you're meant to be. Love you. Bye. Hope to see you in class. Intro is this Monday. Whenever you're seeing this, it's Monday, September 23rd, 6:30 to 8:30. And then the courses start up in October. So you get a chance to taste little teachings from me in this intro course, and hopefully I'll have you in my course. Love you. Bye.